to Everyday Simple Somatics, a podcast dedicated to helping you find healing through your body's natural wisdom. I'm your host, Dr. Christine Baker. Have you ever wondered why your heart races before a big presentation, or why you feel exhausted after a stressful encounter? Maybe you've even noticed how some days you can handle anything life throws at you, while other days the smallest thing sends you into a state of overwhelm. Well, today we're going to demystify these experiences by exploring your nervous system, which is kind of like your body's internal command center. By the end of this episode, you'll understand the basics of how the nervous system works and why this knowledge is crucial for your healing journey. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a licensed professional counselor with 13 years of experience working in trauma recovery. I'm also a somatic experiencing practitioner, and I strongly believe that mental health healing comes through addressing stuck places in the body. That's exactly what this podcast is about. Offering you practical skills to build into these nervous system rhythms of care until you become someone who regularly thinks about tending to and caring for your nervous system needs. While most episodes of this podcast will be 10 minutes or less, focusing on specific somatic practices to support specific mental health and relational needs, we're currently in our Essential Foundation series. These first 10 episodes lay the groundwork for understanding your nervous system before we dive into these more practical skills. If this sounds like something you're interested in, please take a moment to subscribe wherever you're listening. These couple of clicks really help others find these resources too. So I want to start by thinking about your nervous system as your body's internal Wi-Fi network. Okay, it's constantly sending and receiving messages about your safety, your needs, your environment. Dr. Porges, through his Polyvagal Theory, has helped us understand that this system operates on three main levels, which we'll explore in depth in tomorrow's episode about fight, flight, and freeze responses. But for today, let's get a basic overview of these three states. First, there's your everyday nervous system state, what we can call the ventral vagal state. This is where you feel safe, connected, able to engage with the world around you. It's when you can laugh with friends, focus on work, maybe feel creative. Then there's your sympathetic state, and this is the one that helps you respond to challenges. This is your body's natural activation system, preparing you for action. While you might hear this called fight or flight, it's actually much more nuanced than that, which we'll explore again tomorrow in more detail. For now, just know that this state isn't just about survival. It's also what helps you meet deadlines, give presentations, and handle everyday stress. Finally, there's the dorsal vagal state, and this is your body's way of conserving energy when it feels overwhelmed. This might feel like shutting down, feeling numb, or wanting to disappear. This is often called a freeze response. And while it can be uncomfortable, it's actually your body's clever way of protecting you when it senses that you have too much to handle. Understanding these states is crucial because they explain so much about our daily experiences. When you know what state you're in, you can better understand your reactions and your needs. For instance, if you're having trouble focusing at work, it might be because your nervous system is in a protective state, rather than in an optimal engagement or ventral state. The key thing to remember is that all of these states serve a purpose. There's no bad state. They're all part of your body's sophisticated survival system. The goal isn't to stay in one state all the time, but rather to develop the flexibility to move between the states as needed. Here's a simple way to start noticing your own nervous system state. Throughout the day, pause occasionally and ask yourself, how alert do I feel right now? What's my energy level? Do I feel connected to my surroundings or distant from them? Is my body tense or relaxed? Just noticing these patterns without trying to change them is the first step in developing a relationship with your nervous system. Before we wrap up today, if you found this introduction to your nervous system helpful, please take a minute to subscribe and like to Everyday Simple Somatics on whatever platform you're watching or listening. Your engagement really does help other people find these resources who might need them. And it lets me know what content is most valuable to you. So, tomorrow's episode will be especially important because we are going to dive deep into understanding fight, flight, and freeze responses. We'll explore what each of these states feels like in your body, why they get activated, and how to start recognizing them in yourself. This knowledge is crucial for all of our future work together. And if you're ready to go deeper with this work, I want to invite you to join our Somatic Wellness Collective. This is an online monthly subscription learning community where we offer on-demand classes, live sessions, including Q&A, guest lectures, movement classes. We have an integration workbook to help you apply the learning to your life, and private supportive community on Facebook and Instagram. Remember, your body has innate wisdom. We just need to learn how to listen. And that's what I'm here for. See you next time.